In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add, subtract, multiply and divide in Google Sheets so you can perform basic calculations quickly and efficiently. Start with a simple setup where you have numbers in 2 columns. Once your data is ready, click into an empty cell where you want your result. To add numbers, you can either use a simple formula with the plus sign or use the sum function. Both work perfectly, but sum is especially useful when you're working with larger ranges. For subtraction, type a formula that subtracts one cell from another. Just make sure the order is correct, since reversing it will change the result. To multiply values, use the asterisk symbol between your cell references. This is commonly used for calculations like total cost or quantities. For division, use the /. This lets you divide one value by another, which is useful for ratios, averages, or splitting values. After entering any formula, press enter and you'll instantly see the result. To apply the same calculation to multiple rows, drag the fill handle down and Google Sheets will automatically adjust the formula for each row. One important tip: if you ever see a divide error, it usually means you're trying to divide by 0, so double check your data. These 4 operations are the foundation of working with spreadsheets. Once you get comfortable with them, you'll be able to handle everything from budgets to data analysis with ease. And that's it. You now know how to add, subtract, multiply and divide in Google Sheets and make your data work for you.